minus
Watch the rocket
5,
in case it goes
4,
the wrong direction.
3, 2, 1. Blast off! I told you it was gonna go high!
Brady! Can I be
Thing's gone.
Brady! Can I be done?
Two, one. Press and hold.
Nobody was trying. Nobody
Stand back. Walk away from it.
I got that.
It's gonna kill someone!
I wasn't recording!
Oh, I will. Good thing I...
My camera was just...
Lift off.
Oh God! It's gonna start. Oh, I missed the one.
It's chilly!
I'm launching it again!
Chubby has it. Chubby and
Chubby has a rocket.
You're done.
Hey, get back!
3. Why am I fully?
Are you ready to rumble? Hope it doesn't fall in a tree again. How do you think your rocket's gonna do? That's a very nice rocket, sir.
Hey guys, the fin. This is the Green Goblin. The fin is dangling because you know there is.
Hey, record this, Cat, please. Please record this. I am gonna record this. I'm recording it.
Come by me when you're recording. Aiden, can I record it?
I just got this.
Fine. Next one. After this rocket.
No.
What? Blast off!
There it is.
What the heck?
That's my teammate. Yeah.
1. Blast off! 3.
You did, but then Mr. Almond said you can't because you didn't help.
1. Blast! Sigma!
Where the Sigmas he got? 3.
Damien's rocket is going up again.
Why? Look at the inside. Look at the inside of this rocket, guys. Bro, look at the freaking thing of your rocket.
Did you actually see it like explode on the thingy?
Yes, we got it.
Was Green Goblin the
Mew,
highest?
start mewing, guys. Start mewing. That's what I'm talking about.
My mew is terrible, I think.
What the Sigma? I feel like it's gonna show. I feel like so is this coming? Let me get fight! Look at the engine! No, Hendrik! Two times! Let me
Yo, Drake, how is your rocket gonna go?
Good.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Dang. What is that? I can't see it.
Let me catch it.
I can't see it. Oh, it's right there. They got it. Hey! They got it. Dang, that's crazy. Should I do mine again?
I'm gonna catch it.
I got it.
Me too.
Oh!